My wife is absolutely the most creative person in the world, and she inspires me. The things that come out of her mind, it blows my mind. I'll be the first to admit, I'm a bit of a control freak. My family knows that. Linda knows that. I was a little nervous with Linda at first because it's the first time she's designed a home with me. I had my ideas. I was fearful of what ideas she was going to bring to the table because she didn't have that design and construction knowledge. The ideas she brought to the table were absolutely stunning, amazing. For every little element, right down to decor pieces, to wall colors, to flow, all the different things she brought to the table was amazing. Even, for example, in the Jack and Jill that we have for our guest bedrooms, the tile in the bathroom, we have this green tile. Instead of just doing sort of a subway tile flat lay pattern, we did an angled brick pattern like this. It's really cool. So that inspires me. I mean, just to see someone who is fresh to designing a space like this, but has a great creative mind, can transform the look of something.